Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bellavoro Auto Spa. So today we're going to be reviewing the final two products, Turtle Wax's recently released products for 2022. It's going to be the Streak-Free Mist Glass Cleaner Inside and Out and the Ceramic Plus Graphene Inside Job Ultimate All-in-One Interior Care for Leather, Vinyl, Plastic, Rubber, and more. So just the breakdown of these products, this is a glass cleaner and a Flairosol sprayer. Nothing special about it other than it comes in Flairosol, which I really like Flairosol. I mean, you look at the instructions in the back if you don't know how to use glass cleaner. Pull a trigger for short, medium, or, oh my god, this won't focus, or pump for continuous bursts, use sweeping motion, yada yada yada. Just read the rest of that. It's you know, you spray it on the glass, you wipe it off, you get off the glass clean. I tested it out. It seems pretty decent, but I'll show you guys how good it works. This product, this is what's the more interesting one. Now, as you know, Turtle Wax already has a mist interior detailer and leather cleaner and protectant. This is not a mist, obviously. It just comes in a trigger sprayer, but it is good for all interior surfaces. Navigation screens, it doesn't necessarily say. It doesn't say it's bad for it. I mean, it's not a harsh chemical. But let's see what the directions say. Shake well, apply evenly by spraying on a microfiber towel or directly on a surface. Firmly wipe surface until clean and conditioned. Reapply product if needed for protection, clarity, and reduced dust attraction. Flip your microfiber to a clean side for a final wipe. I mean, yeah, this is just a way to get graphene ceramic protection inside of your car. I don't know how good or bad that is necessarily. Interesting take nonetheless. So we'll see how good it works. I mean, it's an interior detailer. I'm sure it's a great product. Is it a professional product? Sure, if you want to use it. This is not available in gallons that I've seen, so this might be a little bit expensive to use professionally. If you're just doing jobs here and there, taking care of your own car, you know, you can do that. Same with this one. You know, there's no gallons or bulk ordering of this, but you know, if you want the Flairosol, you can buy Flairosol sprayers as well and put your own glass cleaner in it, because I mean, you know, you got gallon concentrates from other brands, but you know, I'm gonna say these two are definitely consumer marketed. Yeah, not much else to say other than that. Anyways, let's get over to the car. We're gonna do part of my wife's car. My wife's car is pretty dirty. She doesn't clean it ever. I mean, a lot of our wives seem to be like that. People in general, they just don't clean their car. That's why people like me exist, because they can pay me to do it. So let's get over there. We'll get set up and we'll demonstrate these products. All right, so we got our nice messy car here. The first product we're going to test out is the Streak-Free Mist Glass Cleaner. See the window is nice and it's really gross. It's really gross. But let's see how well this works. I'm just going to use one towel. We'll spray a little bit on the towel. Okay, and then we will spray our window. All right. And let's wipe it off. Yeah, it works pretty good at getting all that crap off. Ugh. I probably put I put too much on. Honestly, you don't need that much, but you know, demonstrations and such, people really want to see it. And just to make sure we got a nice clean window, we'll do the outside with it as well. All right, you got one more step. What you want to do is roll the window down a little bit so you can get that top piece that's stuck under the trim. So let me do that. All right, so I got the window down a little bit. Simple as this. Oh, there's a lot of crap on there. Wow. I think most of it's on the inside. Yep. We'll give it a good final wipe. And I'll roll it back up. Alright, we got the window back up, and the window looks pretty clear to me. What do you think? I think that's a pretty good glass cleaner, as I expected it to be. I mean, I don't know how you can make a glass cleaner bad. Sure, it's possible, but this isn't one of them. So next, let's move on to the door, and we will get the interior cleaner out. Alright, so we got this nice dirty door panel here. Generally, if it's not too dirty, it's a little bit more dirty. You'll just spray on and wipe off. And you know what, I'll do that. I'll see how that works. I don't think I need to spray onto the surface. Again, we're using the Inside Job Ceramic Plus Graphene interior detailer. And yeah, that works pretty well. Wow. Off all those little marks. Inside the door handle. And of course, I don't necessarily need the buff to a shine, but not like it's going to get shiny. We'll make sure we get all our buttons. A lot of dust likes to get in these. Alright, now I'm pretty sure this is made for hard surfaces, but I'll wipe it on here anyways. It's off-label use. Nasty. Alright guys, what do you think of that? I think that came up pretty good. I mean, look, it's even, we got some reflectivity off here. It's reflecting the silver up here. Nice and smooth. It's not really oily feeling. I mean, you still feel a little residue, but it's nothing extreme, not like using Armor All or something. Excuse the speaker, you know, speaker's got a lot of holes in it, so we try to get that spot again anyways. That keeps falling over. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she must have spilled a drink or something. So those two little streaky lines look like on the speaker. But yeah, the door came pretty clean. Again, this is cloth, so it's got to be cleaned a different way, but not a big deal. And we'll do the dash next, because the dash is also a freaking mess. So let's see how that works. Alright, so we get in here. Alright. So yeah, you know, we've got some lovely cigarette ashes and such in here. Well, let's see how we clean that off. Whoops, I'll put that back after. Clean off our gauges. Steering wheel. Sorry about that, my neighbors just pulled up. Alright, now, overall pretty good job. It leaves a nice satin matte finish, whatever you want to call it. Has pretty decent cleaning ability. You know, got these ashes out of here, removed all the dust. smudges, fingerprints, things of that nature. I've really got no complaints. The stuff's pretty good, so let's go in for our final thoughts, and I'll give you guys my full opinion on it. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for these new 2022 Turtle Wax product reviews. My final thoughts of these two products. It's a glass cleaner. If I were to go to the store and I saw this on the shelf, I'd probably pick this out versus others. I mean, invisible glass is a good classic product, and you can buy those by the case. But you know, if I just need something in the store, I'd be like, ooh, Flairosol bottle, glass cleaner, awesome, let me grab it. Just because it sprays out so nicely. This product, you know, this is something I'd recommend as an interior detailer. If you know, someone was going to the store and they're like, hey man, you know, what's a good interior cleaner detailer product I could use? I'll be like, hey, grab the Turtle Wax ceramic graphene if you want something that's good. I mean, there's endless options on here, but that's what's going to make it stand out. It leaves a good finish. You know, it's not really anything special over other products, but it's a good product nonetheless. Now, my final opinion on all these Turtle Wax products, on what I find interesting and what I find kind of, you know, I think they're all decent, but I'll put it this way. Okay, so I don't know if you can see all those on camera, so I got them split down the middle. Let me go ahead and just adjust these a little bit. So these products over here on the right, the Rapid Decon, excellent. I think this is the best product they made this year. This is something, even as a professional, you get it for $50 a gallon. I'd highly recommend for anyone to use. This is a very good product. It's up there with products like CarPro Iron X, 3D BDX, Meguiar's Wheel and Paint Iron Decon. It works really good, so that's great. The Slick and Slide Pure Wash, again, another product you can get by the gallon. They already sell it. I think this is the smallest size they sell, but you can get it by the gallon. It's really good. It's got a nice bubblegum scent. It makes excellent foam, great lubrication, great cleaning ability, no added protection. So very good product right here. It works great. Would I continue to use it? I mean, I'm sorry, it's not better than Reset in my opinion, CarPro Reset, but it is still a great product nonetheless. And then their Graphene Acrylic Tire Shine. Now, okay, I don't care that it's graphene or whatever. What I find great about this is it's easy to apply. It does dry. In my experience, it does dry to the touch. As far as it long lasting, I don't know yet. We will find out. But I have yet to use something that's truly long lasting that doesn't start to look like crap quickly. Okay, now the products over on this side. The Hyperfoam. Buying it in this size I don't think is a great idea. It's expensive in this size. Definitely buy it by the gallon where it's like $33. And I would say dilute it 1-to-1 in a pump foamer and you'll get a lot more for your money. If you do use it that way, it's really good. In this bottle, it's alone, I would just go for the original green bottle. So again, getting it by the gallon, awesome, but in, you know, this size, you're gonna blow through it quickly, and I don't think it's any better than the $4 one that they sell at Walmart. Graphene ceramic paste wax. I don't like paste wax. It's an old technology. It's a good wax, definitely. It's shiny, hydrophobic. But paste waxes, you got to put so much work in to put them on the car. Your arms get tired, and they don't last that long. So, you know, take that for what it is. But if you're looking for a good paste wax, you know, it's definitely a good one. And these ones we just talked about, you know, this is just a glass cleaner. It's nothing special. It's cool that it comes in a Flairosol bottle, but not available in gallons. It's not going to be economical for somebody doing professional jobs. And this one, you know, this is interior detailers are a dime a dozen. I don't see any reason to buy this one over another. Now I use, you know, again, products you can buy in large quantities. This one you can't, but, you know, this is definitely something that you can get at the store. It works well. So, you know, it's not a bad product. I don't see the point of it. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Which of these products is your favorite? You know, which one, even if you haven't used them yet, which one do you think is the best out of all of them? My personal favorite is definitely the Rapid Decon. That stuff, it's amazing. So great job, Turtle Wax, on that. You know, looking forward to seeing what they got in store for us in the future. I like that they're coming out with, you know, more professional products now. As well as, you know, that are available to consumers as well. But overall, I think Turtle Wax did a great job. They've been knocking it out of the park ever since they started, even with the Ice line, but even more so with Hybrid Solutions and Hybrid Solutions Pro. They are really listening to the market, and they know what people want, and they're giving us what we want. But that's going to be it for the video, guys. Give it a like if you haven't already, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Other than that, leave a comment below. Any feedback's always appreciated. I love interacting with every single person that comments on my channel. But other than that, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.